The spray filling machine is a simple and adaptable system that provides quick solutions for any colour need. Let us see the steps to follow for a correct filling process. There are two types of filling machines. A manual machine which is hydraulically operated through a side lever, and an automatic machine which fills sprays through air compression. This tutorial focuses on how to use the automatic filling machine. First of all, we'll place the machine on a safe, flat and regular surface. Its base can be adjusted for the machine to be more stable. For handling, we recommend using regulatory PPE such as gloves, overalls or safety goggles. Attach the compressed air line to its corresponding connector. For a 400 ml filling, we will have a 400 ml refillable spray can, the metallic cylinder, the metallic cup, the Teflon pot. The filling can be carried out through the standard process or through the clean cup system. This system uses a single-use plastic capsule that works as a container, and that will help prevent having to clean the metallic cup with every fill. The clean cup system includes the following components: the metallic cylinder, the aluminium part and the metallic cup adapted to the clean cup system, a single-use plastic capsule. This tutorial will focus on spray filling using the clean cup system. Screw the aluminium part into the metal cylinder and insert it into the upper part inside the machine. Remove the spray nozzle and place the pump piston on the top part of the can. If you are using the clean cup system, separate the capsule's cover without damaging the tip. Insert the clean cup capsule into the metallic cup. Filter the paint before filling to remove any impurities. Then pour the paint. The clean cup capsule has two filling marks, 75 and 100 ml. For a correct filling, the amount must be 100 ml. Once the paint has been poured, place the plastic cap over the capsule, making sure it fits correctly. Then, introduce the spray can together with the metallic cup into the machine and adjust them to the aluminium part. Close the door, turning the knob. The filling process will start automatically upon activation of the switch. The switch will remain active for 1 or 2 seconds during the filling process. Depending on the viscosity of the paint, you will have the option to change the filling pressure beforehand. If you use the manual machine, the spray can filling will be done by lowering the hydraulic lever on the side. Open the door and remove the spray can together with the metal container. Finally, remove the plastic capsule from the metallic cup. If we had made the filling using the standard process, we must clean the metal cup and the Teflon piece, leaving everything ready for the next filling. So that the spray is ready for use, we recommend cleaning both the valve and the internal cannula. To do this, attach a second nozzle, invert the spray and press it until only gas comes out. Remove the second nozzle and fit the original from the refillable spray can. Then the spray can will be ready for use.